What is up, YouTube? This is Owen Dow here, and today I'm going to be doing a really brief unboxing and initial showcase of a G-Shock. Yeah, it's been a little while since I made a video of a G-Shock, and that's what this video is. I'm just going to be showing you this G-Shock. It's not going to be a very in-depth video because, well, as you might notice, there's something a little weird about this particular situation. Because next to the G-Shock box is actually a package of Duck branded bubble mailers. And you might be wondering why that is there. Well, that is because, sadly, this is not my G-Shock anymore. I bought this for myself. It's about Christmas time. I think today is 15th of December. So it is pretty much Christmas time. It's actually 10 days away. And yeah, I wanted to get myself something for Christmas. And during the Cyber Monday, I was browsing and I stumbled upon this watch, which I was extremely excited about. It was a really good deal, and I had to just jump in and buy it. And as soon as I bought it, I texted ZippoFanatic. I was like, oh my God, you're not gonna believe what I just bought. And I sent him the listing of this watch, which was what you're about to see. You've seen it in the thumbnail. It's the DWB5600, but I thought it was a GWB5600. And it was like 70 bucks because of the deal, the Cyber Monday deal. And I was like, I can't believe I just got this G-Shock, like GWB, for literally $70. Like, this is such an incredible deal. And he had to tell me, he was like, bro, that's not what that is. That is a DWB5600. And it turns out that the difference between the DWB and the GWB is enough that it actually made me not want to actually have this watch anymore. I didn't really, it did. Like, it legitimately kind of was a buzzkill, because there's a big thing that makes this different from the GWB, which is that this watch doesn't actually have the solar power. And as you can see, I'm wearing a GAB2100 right now. I love this watch's solar power feature. I love that this stays phone accurate because it pairs to my phone. This one does pair to your phone. This one right here does. But it does not have the solar power, which is kind of a deal breaker. Like, I'm not gonna lie. Like, that was something I was looking forward to. And it's such a shame, because when you see this watch's colorway, let's go ahead and get into it as we're talking. Because like I say, this is going to be just kind of a casual, quick, sort of a showing you this watch. You can see right there, DWB5600. Model specifically is the SF-7CR. You will see that this is a beautiful, beautiful colorway. So that's why these mailers are here, because I'm going to be shipping this to ZippoFanatic shortly after this video is made. So yeah, it does come in the standard tin, which is really nice. I do like these G-Shock tins. So if we go ahead and open it up, and we'll get our paperwork, which is right here. And we get our little pamphlets and our little instruction manual. This little piece of foam here. And then if we look right here inside of this crazy hunk of foam is our DWB5600. Sometimes I legitimately wonder if I'm dyslexic. Like, I might be dyslexic, and I've not been officially confirmed to be dyslexic, but I swear I think I'm dyslexic, because I looked at this listing multiple times. Every time I looked at it, it said GWB5600 to me. But when he told me it was a DWB, yeah, that's when I got a little bit bummed out, realizing that I was wrong. But yeah, look at this thing. Isn't that beautiful? This white band is incredible. Like, that is so nice. You can see it's the same band that I have on my yellow one here. It's the same sort of style. Check this out. We got all the modes. If we click through the mode button, yeah, we got our world time, our stopwatch. Let's go ahead and start the stopwatch. Let's stop it. And we'll, how do you reset? Is it adjust? Yeah, adjust to reset it. We'll go to the timer. Yeah, we got a 10-minute timer right there. We can set that timer. We'll set it to, what do we want to set it to? Let's set it to a minute. It'll go off during the recording of this video. Hold on. I'm having to remember how this works. Okay, 11, let's go to a minute. It'll go off here in just a second. All right, bang, start it. We got all the features. We got the alarm and stuff like that. It's a really, really nice piece. It's a really nice piece. Let me actually zoom this in because, really? No. I want to jump to that lens just so we get a better look at that screen. Yeah, look at this thing. It's gorgeous. You will see that compared to the GWB5600, it actually has the standard G-Shock kind of pressed steel back. It doesn't have the really rugged looking stainless steel back. It's a very similar backing to what this one has. I'll show you that real quick. You can kind of get a sense of it here. Very, very similar look. Yep. So let's go ahead and put this on so you guys can see what it looks like. I'm going to leave the tags on for ZippoFanatic. This is my setting right here. And it does come with the adjuster, the holder right here, a chromed steel buckle. You can hear that going off. Can I stop it? Yep. I don't know if you could hear that actually because I'm using the mic. It was really far away from the microphone. Hopefully you could hear that. Yeah, look at that. Look at how nice that looks. Back down to 1. I think it's a really great looking watch. I'm really sad that this is not the watch for me, but as a result of this, I did get myself something else for Christmas, and I will be making a video on that one. And in fact, this trade that I'm doing with ZippoFanatic, he's going to be sending me some stuff that will go along with my new purchased Christmas present. So I'm really excited about that. I will be making a video on that. I don't know if I'll be making it on Christmas itself. Unfortunately, I'll probably be making it after Christmas. We will have to see. But anyway, yeah, that is pretty much it. That's mostly what I wanted to show you guys. We're gonna go ahead and switch back to my my GAB2100. Actually, fun fact, the GWB that I made a video about in my, obviously the GWB5600 review, also belongs to ZippoFanatic. He actually bought that one from me. So yeah, he now owns this one too. Seems every time I buy myself G-Shock, he claims it, but he will not be claiming what I got myself this next time. So anyway, guys, that's going to do it for this video. Just a really quick, simple video. You can see the negative display. It actually looks pretty good. I'm not going to lie. I like it a lot. It reminds me a lot of the watch of the purple watch that I actually did show in my GWB5600 review. It's got kind of similar coloration to it, which is pretty cool. But anyway, guys, that's going to go ahead and do it for this video. Thank you so very much for watching. No pun intended. And adios.